How to change nickname on Messenger. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you change nickname on Messenger. To change a nickname on Messenger chat, you need to follow these steps. First thing first, open the Messenger application on your device. After which, what you need to do is you have to make sure to go to the chat where you want to change the nickname. So let's see, this is the one. After which, you want to go ahead and make sure to select or just tap the name at the very top, and then you want to make sure to go ahead and tap on the three dot, or you simply want to go ahead and look for nickname section. So here it is. I can go ahead and select it and then make sure to change it, and this way you'll be able to change nickname on Messenger. So this is the simplest way you could go ahead and make changes. If the changes aren't saved, then you could try updating the app or refreshing your Messenger application, or try checking your internet connection, and that should be able to fix, or that should be able to change nickname on Messenger. So this is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.